Good morning, Group 52. In Matthew chapter 25, you find the parable of the talents, which tells us the kingdom of heaven is like a rich man that leaves his three servants bags of gold, and he returns to check and see what investments they made with that gold. Simply, what I'm trying to say, God has placed precious gifts and talents inside of each and every one of us. What are you doing with the gifts God has given you to further the kingdom of heaven, to improve the world, to make the community you're in a better place? Invest wisely this week, Group 52. God bless you and have the best week of your life.